Coconut Oil Hair Serum. This hair serum has a thick consistency, and will make your hair smooth and soft, provide the necessary nourishment and moisturization, and protect your hair from the UV damage. It can also prevent hair thinning, and promote hair growth, because it is very nourishing, and rich in antioxidants. Coconut Oil Hair Serum Recipe. Take a 4 ounces amber glass dropper bottle, and with the help of a small funnel, pour in it these ingredients. 2 tablespoons each of fractionated coconut oil and argan oil, 1 teaspoon each of sea buckthorn oil and vitamin E oil. Then add in 5 drops of lavender, and 5 drops of geranium essential oil, and 3 drops of frankincense essential oil. Close the bottle, shake it well to mix everything, and keep it in a cool and dry place. How to use it. Dry your hair with a towel, and apply a few drops on your hair length, avoiding the scalp. You can apply on the scalp, but to avoid having greasy hair, do it an hour before taking a shower. Coconut oil to condition your hair. Using coconut oil as a conditioner will make your hair smooth, soft, and well moisturized. Take a bowl, and add in it 2/3 cup of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon each of vitamin E oil, and jojoba oil. At the end, add in 10 drops of your favorite essential oil, and mix the ingredients with a hand mixer. You will get a smooth consistency, which you can apply on your hair while taking the shower. Do it, using 1 or 2 teaspoons of the mixture, to smooth through hair, and rinse off thoroughly.